Here's my audience. Okay.
Alright, so according to the Dallas Morning News, the word of the day should be rubbed on your arms, smeared on your legs, massaged into your scalp and shoulders. It should be dabbed across the bridge of your nose, sloshed into your hands and feet, tickled into your ears, and by doing so, it no longer becomes a word, but a lifesaver. Hi, my name's Edgar. By putting on sunscreen, you can save your life, sun or not. Hopefully through facts, debunking the myths, and telling you on what to do with sunscreen, you will have to wear sunscreen every day. Let's go over some of the terrifying facts of UV radiation. Alright, 90% of non-melanoma skin cancer and 65% of melanoma cancer is caused by UV radiation by not wearing sunscreen. It takes 5 years after sunburn for the skin to completely heal, although you'll never notice it. It takes 20 years for cancer to show signs after your first sunburn. So, although you get sunburn and you don't think you're going to get cancer, you won't know for 20 years. Your chance of cancer doubles after 5 sunburns. Think about that. There are many myths involving sunscreen. Many people don't take the time to learn the facts, and unfortunately they don't put any on. Let's debunk some of these myths. Myth number 1. Sunscreen causes vitamin D deficiency. Apparently, people think that by putting on sunscreen, you're blocking the sun from giving you vitamin D, right? Well, there is no evidence to prove this, and even so, if it was true, you can get vitamin D from salmon, eggs, orange juice, and milk, so no excuses. Myth number 2, cold or cloudy. If it's cold or cloudy outside, you don't need any sunscreen. That's also false. 40% of UV rays come through clouds on an extremely cloudy day, which is enough to give you an extremely bad sunburn. Myth number 3, all your sun exposure happens as a child. According to skincancer.org, less than 25% of sun exposure happens when you turn 18, which means you have 75% of sun exposure for your entire life after that, which is a lot. Now that you know some of the negative effects of not wearing sunscreen, here's what you should do. First, apply sunscreen. Always look for the Skin Cancer Foundation seal of recommendation. It guarantees the highest quality. According to the the United States Environmental Protection Agency, you should always buy the highest quality. Always get SPF 15 or higher, and always check the ingredients for the broad spectrum protection. Always apply about no less than 1 ounce. Wait 30 minutes before you get in the water, go out in the sun, and you should always reapply after 2 hours or after you go out into the river or lake or whatever you are, or if you excessively sweat. This is for the ladies. There is no such thing as a healthy suntan. Any kind of burn, any kind of change of color to skin is skin damage. So if that's what you're into and you like skin damage, then so be it. When the skin color changes, it actually increases the risk of sun-related ailments for skin cancer. You should always stay away from tanning lotions as well, because many of them don't offer SPF, and if they do, it's not approved by the Cancer Association, and many of them end up giving you more UV radiation since it attracts the sun. Alright, after we've talked about many aspects about why you should wear sunscreen, I hope that through the factual information, debunking the myths, and advising you on what to do, you'll think twice before leaving your house without putting any on. Next time on your trip in the summer, when you're in Port A or South Padre Island or any of that, don't forget to put on sunscreen, and always remember the word of the day. Thank you.